Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I'm standing next to our brand new Boston Whaler 380 Realm. This is a 2020 model year and it is completely loaded. Starting at the stern, we've got 4 Mercury 400 Verados bolted to the back. Gets this thing really up and rolling fast. Great performance out of a heavy 38-foot boat like this. Walking around, first we've got our single flush system. Just plug a hose in, hit a button, flushes out all 4 motors with ease. Easy access on board, either at the dock or if you're diving, you've got a huge ladder that pops in there, side dive door. Once we're on board, we've got plenty of space here throughout the stern. Dual ice boxes for fish. Big fold-away bench seat in the back here. Right now it's folded up, so it becomes a leaning combing bolster. We've got another access here on the starboard side with steps up in case you've got a higher deck. You can board on and off from there. Big ice box that's lighted with flip around seat. Right now we're facing forward, so we're in the social orientation. You can also turn around your helm seat there, put a nice big teak table in. You can see you've got AC. Sit there, have your drinks, do a little socializing. If you want to cook dinner, you've got a grill. Throw your fresh catch of the day on right there. Refrigeration underneath. Full summer kitchen here, even with a sink. Extra captain's chair with the 2 at the helm. Also at the helm here, full electronics package here. I don't think there's anything we could have added to this boat. You've got triple Raymarines, Fusion waterproof radio, joystick piloting. We've got the upgraded Mercury vessel view size, AC at the helm as well. Up top we've got the new Raymarine VHF system that is wireless, so you've got a charging docking station. That way you can use your VHF all around the boat if needed. And then also right above it, our small screen there, that controls the Seakeeper. Stabilizes the boat. If you've never used one, give me a call. We'll drop this thing in the water. You can come try it out. It's absolutely amazing. In order to run that, we do have a generator on board as well. Before we go downstairs, I want to show you the walkthrough here. This is a center console boat, but also has a full enclosure here. We've got a big glass panel that closes off, so you have a full front enclosure without having to deal with the canvas. Windscreen door that closes there. Facing forward, we've got triple sun loungers with armrests, power folding teak table with a insert as well to make this one big giant sun lounger. Speakers, cup holders, charging ports throughout the boat, plenty of access and comfort. Now let's walk back here and show you the downstairs area. Nice, great big opening, so you don't need to duck while we walk downstairs. 2 huge loungers. Again, a folding table that slides down so that you can turn this into a V-berth. We've got TV up top. On both sides are your control panels. One is for your 120, the other one's for your 12 volt. This dock station right there is for an iPad that's used and integrates with the Raymarine system to control most everything on the boat. And then we've got a partial kitchen here with fridge and sink. Finally, in our head, we got a wet head here, full shower, hard doors, no curtains to deal with. Nice freshwater sink, great lighting. You've got the mood lighting setup that we have on here or the bright white lighting. If you guys have any other questions about this boat, please give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I'm happy to help out with any additional questions you might have. Thanks for watching.